Halo guys, ketemu lagi dengan saya. Kali ini di edisi tutorial ya. Mungkin dari judul kalian sudah tahu kalau aku mau ngapain. Ya, aku mau gambar kayak gini sih. Ini sebenarnya sudah aku gambar, tapi apa-apa aja alatnya inilah. Yang pertama adalah cat kayu warna hitam campurannya, sama cat untuk tembok. Soalnya kalau kita cari di toko bangunan cat tembok warna hitam itu agak sulit, makanya aku oplos cat kayu warna hitam sama cat tembok yang putih. Baru itu untuk gambarnya aku pakai spidol kayak gini. Kayak gini. Kalau kalian bagi pemula atau belum pernah gambar sama sekali di tembok, pakai pensil dulu boleh. Jadi biar kelihatan rapi. Kalau aku langsung pakai spidol kayak gini. Lalu sediakan kuas besar kayak gini. Ini untuk cat warna yang besar ya. Jadi kita nggak capek-capek. Untuk pakai kuas yang sedang kayak gini. Kuas lukis sama kuas kecil kayak gini. Ini untuk garis sisi-sisi gambar biar rapi sih. Oke, sama botol aqua aku potong buat ngoplos catnya ya, biar enak. Bagaimana caranya menggambar di tembok, hasilnya kayak gini. Tontonin ya. Hai guys, yo, ini masih aku sketsa ya. Jadi masih gambaran kasar. Masih aku sketsa gambar-gambarnya aja, belum aku cat. Jadi ini mau aku cat. Pakai kuas ukuran segini. Ya. Oke, kali ini sudah jadi guys. Ya, kali ini aku mau gambar sisi-sisinya biar lebih keren.
My name is Devon Terrell. I am the living weirdo. I'm gonna sing you a song today. I really hope you like it. I can see you hating, but I can't change. No, and they talking all crazy, but they never say it to your face. No, yeah, shit, mind your business. Yeah, just looking like bulls running and charging. I'm seeing red and I'm about to snap like I'm Dennis Rodman. I'm testing all these niggas. I feel like I am the problem. Feeling like I'm Gucci and all you haters is targets. I feel like I'm next up and nobody in here messing with us. I'm up on the roof and you still waiting on the elevator. And when you get here, I feel like we gon' build another level. I'm making trainer with a acapella, cause I am the base of the treble. I am the good to the devil, and I know I'm eating good and you at McDonald's looking for specials. I feel like I got it, so why would I stop it? Let me ask you a question. Is it too late to say I'm sorry? Yeah, cause I feel like no one can stop me. Yeah, is it too late to say I'm sorry? I know that I'm coming now. I feel like my time is now.
Sorry for killing everything I touch like I'm a plague, making it look easy while they out losing an arm and leg. Record a verse on my seg, I forgot how to walk. All that I do is rap now, I forgot how to talk. I've been up without sleeping, I'm greedy, success I need it. My progress never impeded by haters, I just delete them. Soon as they give me reasons, I leave them in pieces. I might just pull out my visa, I got more money on that than Regis. Who wanna be it, ain't quitting till I got millions. I spit that real to the blind, hands out, everybody feel it. I step into the building with my homies looking dapper, on a Justin Bieber beat with confidence like Chance the Rapper. Anyone that does it after
Guys, kali ini sudah jadi sih. Ini aku mau ngerapiin sisi-sisi gambarnya ya. Ya, yang kayak gini nih, sisi-sisinya seperti ini akan aku rapiin dengan spidol. Jadi biar lebih rapi. Nah, spidol kayak gini. Ini akan aku rapikan pakai spidol.
Everything I touch like I'm a plague, making it look easy while they out losing an arm and leg. Record a verse on my seg, I forgot how to walk. All that I do is rap now, I forgot how to talk. I've been up without sleeping, I'm greedy, success I need it. My progress never impeded by haters, I just delete them. Soon as they give me reasons, I leave them in pieces. I might just pull out my visa, I got more money on that than Regis. Who wanna be it, ain't quitting till I got millions. I spit that real to the blind, hands out, everybody feel it. I step into the building with my homies looking dapper, on a Justin Bieber beat with confidence like Chance the Rapper. Anyone that does it after, I watch it nothing but laughter. I'm reading the comments, nothing but positive chitter chatter. I was just in New York with the homie doing the most. Now I'm in LA, just wait till you niggas hear coast to coast.